What's up, Kryptonites? Tim here with Crypto Night, bringing you my second video of the day because I'm super excited about what Bitcoin is doing. Let's freaking go, baby! Super hyped. Anyway, in this video, I want to talk about the Bitcoin ETF. We had our first ever Bitcoin ETF launch. It happened this morning. People are literally trading it right now. There was $400 million of volume in the first hour. Let's go. This is a historic day. We're going to look back on this day many years from now, and we're going to say, do you remember when the first Bitcoin ETF came about? And we're going to remember this day. So super excited. The only downside to all this positive news, and of course, I guess there's always a downside, but there's still a lot of upside. Downside is these ETFs are what's called futures ETFs, meaning they're not backed by actual real Bitcoin. It's just speculating on the future price of Bitcoin. So yes, this is still getting Bitcoin a lot of exposure to the average investor who maybe is too afraid to use the new crypto exchanges just to buy regular Bitcoin, which is what I do. I just buy actual Bitcoin from exchanges. But a lot of people are too afraid. They're too afraid, or it's too hard for them to learn this new currency and to get involved in the platforms and the exchanges that are offering it. And I get that. And so they want to continue to trade in their Fidelity account or their JP Morgan account, whatever it is. They would feel more comfortable, feel more safe just trading in there. So now they're going to get exposure to Bitcoin through these ETFs. Now, I would never buy a futures ETF. I guess never say never, but I would just buy actual Bitcoin. But if you're one of those people who maybe you're too afraid to use these new exchanges, which by the way, there are links to them in the description if you want to get involved and support my channel. But in the future, we will have spot-backed ETFs, meaning that on your Fidelity account, you buy a spot-backed ETF, you're getting exposure to actual Bitcoin is actually changing the price of Bitcoin. And I would totally buy that. I still do have a Fidelity account. I don't have very much money in it. Well, really none at all, because I sold my entire stock portfolio to invest into cryptocurrency, which I posted in the first video, which I'll link above. But anyway, it's still really bullish news. It's still getting exposure to a lot of people who don't yet have it. We have another Bitcoin ETF launching tomorrow morning. BTFD is the ticker. And again, there are things in the works to get a spot-backed ETF here at some point. So I think once we get the spot-backed ETF, we are skying. We are going very high. Right now, I'm still a little concerned for a retracement at the all-time high because these are futures and not spot-backed. So probably still gonna reach it and break it, but at some point we'll get a retracement. But anyway, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Peace out, Kryptonites. See ya, and make sure to grow your money, save your money, and I'll see you guys on the next one.